So friends, today we are going to discuss regarding all the railway stocks: IRCTC, IRCON, RVNL, Railtel and IRFC. As you see today, all the railway stock in my screen have scored a tremendous growth, tremendous movement today. And first of all, IRCTC 9%, IRCON 1.38%, RVNL 2%, Railtel 3%, and IRFC 4%. So what will be our strategy? How to deal with this stock? What will be our label? As the channel name is marking with candlestick, we have to mark the labels and play accordingly. So first I have to go to IRCTC. You can see, if I have opened the one day chart, you can see IRCTC is in a major resistance zone, and it has already break that resistance zone of previous one. And right now today closing price is 2113.85, which is, I think, it's all time high, and RSI is in one day chart is 79. So there is a chance IRCTC can go up tomorrow also. For that reason, what we have to do, whatever the movement IRCTC has to perform today, like today IRCTC has performed 9%, so we have to add another 5%, like 2113 plus 5% will be our target for tomorrow. But if IRCTC is making a resistance at this level, then, or tomorrow IRCTC is opening with gap down, then our first target will be 2002. So our stop loss will be at 2002. Okay. Then next is IRCON. IRCON I am going to open. This share particularly gives more dividend, not dividend, and also bonus share. You see, for IRCON right now the major resistance zone is 48.49. Once it cross that 48.49 on a longer term basis, its next target will be 51 rupees and the next target will be 53 rupees. But if it is coming downward, then the target will be, the support will be at this level, which is 46 rupees. Okay, so IRCON, but I am seeing much more movement in IRCON, because already all the other stocks have performed well, but IRCON has not performed that much good today. Okay, then RVNL, which is Rail Vikas Nigam Limited. You can see RVNL chart. RVNL chart, the next target is coming around 32 rupees 0.34. If it breaks 32.34, another target is 33.02. So for RVNL, first target is 32.32, next target is 33.03. But if it's calm down, then what will be our target? If it comes down, our target is 29.75. 29.75 will be our stop loss. Then Railtel, I will suggest you to invest in this particular stock, Railtel. In my IPO video also I have told regarding this stock, Railtel, and this is a newly listed company, but my suggestion is only for educational purpose. You have to do your due diligence, and you have to think about it. You have to do your research before investing in this stock. So Railtel, you can see in Railtel there is a fast resistance is coming at 144 point. If it breaks only 144 point, then there is a direct target of 160, and I right now I cannot see any hurdles for Railtel. Railtel can go beyond 144, again it can go for a target of 160. So if you want, you can invest in particular stocks Railtel, but for Railtel I am telling, you have to do your own research and you have to consult your financial advisor before that. Then next share is IRFC, recently listed company IRFC. You see IRFC, so many people got alerted in their IPO, but after that the stock is not performing that much. Once upon a time IRFC gone 20 rupees, 21 or 20 rupees. Right now I think that the direct target for IRFC is 25 rupees. Okay, once it crossed 25 rupees, next target will be 26.32, but downside the target is coming 22.97, where our stop loss should be. Okay, as per the RSI also, IRCTC is not that much in the overbought zone. So, but apart from this 5 stock, my choice will be Railtel, and Railtel, and the next will be IRCTC. First is Railtel, then is IRCTC. Okay, thanks.